Hello friends, this is Dr. Neeta. This video is a part of goal setting workshop. So for day 2 topic is decide what you want. Decide what you want is the most important exercise in goal setting, because until and unless you don't know what you want, how you can set the goal, how you can achieve it, how you can prepare the action plan. So the most important journey is decide what you want. So to complete this journey smoothly, I have shared 4 different worksheets with you. So first worksheet is principle 2, decide what you want. Now here in this you have to finalize in financial what is your final goal, what you want in your career or your professional life, what exactly you want to achieve in recreational free time, what you want to achieve in your relationship, in your personal thing, every part of your life, what exactly you want to achieve. That are all thing you need to decide, and you just note it down. May not be it's at a very finishing and final level, but whatever comes to your mind, just put on just one parameter. Just keep on putting all those points. This is what is first exercise in decide what you want. Then there is another task given. Within this task there are few questions given, and the questions are: what is an area of your life that is not working as well as you would like it to? So firstly, negative part means where you would actually like to work on, or which area is not working fine. So you just think on it and you have to answer this question. Then how are you creating or allowing this to happen? Why it is happening? If it is not working properly, if your business is not working properly, or your sales become down, your customers are making more complaints, so what exactly has happened, why it is happening? If there are some kind of problems going on in your relationship, why it's not going on smoothly? So you just need to ask this small question to yourself, and that is how actually, if you'll ask this question to yourself, that will submerge in your subconscious, and automatically you will actually start getting answers of these questions. So what exactly you have to do is, you have to keep on asking this question, give proper time to each and every question. Means just think deeply on each and every question, because questioning is the most important thing. This is what is called as self coaching. The best coach of this world, actually they work on questionnaire, because no one is going to tell you suggestion कि आप ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा करो, ऐसा नहीं. No, actually that is against to the principle of coaching. Coaching means just showing you direction or way to find out your own answers. That is what is the job of coach. So this is what is whatever questionnaire I have given to you. In this way, actually you have to ask those questions to yourself, and you need to actually try to find out the answers. Now it may happen whenever you sit and asking this question to yourself, you are not getting answers. It may happen. So what you have to do is, at night when you are going to sleep, at that moment of time, just repeat these questions and ask your subconscious or universe to get the answers of these questions. Now what will happen, either in dream or in the sleep, your subconscious will work on it. Then what you have to do is, next day you just have to keep track on your thoughts, what kind of thoughts and ideas you are getting throughout the day. Just you have to be aware what's going on here in your mind. Now within that thoughts, actually automatically you'll get the answers, and mostly it will happen when you are more relaxed. Mostly whenever you are taking bath, at that moment of time your body is very relaxed, feel very comfortable, and actually innovative and creative thoughts that comes at that moment of time. Even in the morning time, when you are completing your regular exercise, yoga, whatever you are doing, walking and all, when you feel relaxed and happy, at that moment of time, actually good thoughts and creative ideas get in your mind. So you don't have to worry about it if you are not getting answer within one shot. You have to give yourself proper time, and just keep on your thinking pattern, and just try to find out which idea is giving you the answers of your questions. So that is how second whatever worksheet I have given to you, you have to complete it. Ask these questions to yourself, try to find out all the answers of these questions, and then next exercise also I have explained. Then moving ahead with the next one, that is vision activity. Now in this vision activity, just like in the first worksheet whatever we have done, but in the format of vision. Oh, exactly. In financial one, if you have just thinking, okay, I need to be rich, so here you have to target yourself. Now for example, I am writing the statement by 31st December 2020, I want 100 crores in my bank account of Bank of India, and everything, like all detailing you can give. So all this kind of thing you can give within your financial goal. In the same way, business, job, career, health, fitness, personal, recreational, in every way you have to just give all the detailing about your vision. So this is how you have to complete this worksheet. And the most important is life purpose. So once you gone through the short term and long term goal, actually you need to find out the most important thing, that is throughout this life, what is my life purpose, what exactly I expect from my life. And this exercise may take some time. So as I've already told you, if in the morning, what you have to do is, now today itself I'm giving you one video of meditation and one of visualization. So tomorrow morning whenever you are getting up, if you already do exercise, then well and good. If you don't do exercise, start actually practice some sort of exercise. It may be simple walking. If you know some yoga or pranayam, you can do simple kind of exercise. And then later on, if in pranayam you know anulom vilom and all that kind of small exercise, just do it. And then later on, sit calm, get relax yourself, listen those two audios, visualization and meditation. And later on, whatever questions are here today, you try to just get the answers of this. But later on, ask yourself those questions when you are in complete relaxed state, meditative state of mind. When you feel that you are now, your body is completely relaxed and your mind is very stable, at that moment of time you have to raise these questions. And automatically actually you will getting those images, that images will pop up in your mind, and you could see what is exactly your life purpose is. And if at all you don't get the answer, don't worry about it. Again, whatever I have told you last time, throughout the day, just keep track, be aware what's going on in your mind. And within some thoughts you may get answers of all your questions whatever you have asked to your subconscious mind. So that's how you need to be very focused and very serious about this exercise, because this is what is the base of setting goal. If this base is not very firm, or you just miss out this base, then the later on whatever techniques you are going to learn, that will be of no use. So give proper time to this exercise, decide what you want, give proper time, and actually solve all these worksheets whatever I have given to you. It's very important and it's very useful. So this much for this video. Thank you very much.